Just came back from an express trip to Detroit, less than 24 hours, and I found this package here at home for product reviews for the YouTube channel. Let's see what we got here. Oh, spotless materials. Oh, I think this is a cleaning product for the windshield of the car. Didn't expect it to be like this, but it was gonna be like a Armor box or something like that. So there's 4 of these windshield treatment cleaners. Actually, it's 2 sets. That's the cleaner and the windshield treatment. So we're gonna try it later. Here are some instructions, so I'm gonna read them, review them, and see how they are. Spotless materials. So here it is, this windshield treatment. I already read the instructions, are pretty simple. So first you use the cleaner, which is this one, to leave the windshield completely free of dust or anything else. And then you use the actual windshield treatment here, and they recommend using paper towel to do a very even coating of the windshield. They say you can also spray it, but you will lose some of it, and they warn you that this cannot go over the paint of the car. Apparently it's pretty strong chemical, so you have to be careful with that. They also recommend using gloves and do it in a ventilated area. I'm outside, so that's pretty ventilated. So let's do this with the cleaner first. And I'm gonna do half of the windshield first to do a testing to see how it compares with and without protection. So the other thing I forgot is that after you clean and apply the treatment, you leave it like for 5 minutes to cure. So we're gonna do that. Let's wear the gloves just because the instructions say so, but I don't think it's that bad. I'll spray a little bit too here on the windshield and some of the paper towel. So this is only the cleaner. It's pretty bad here in some areas because of the tree that we have here. But we get it. It's pretty clean this side now. You can see how much dirt we have collected here. Let's see a little more. Without clean part of it. So yeah, it looks pretty clean now. Nothing is coming out. Let me use the blower just to make sure. So now I'm gonna apply the actual treatment, and I'm gonna apply it here on the paper first. And again, they say to be careful with the paint of the car. You don't want to have this on it. I'm gonna soak it here pretty heavy, and let's do it. So half the way, pretty even. I'm not covering this part underneath because that's, you don't even see, that's where the wipers go. Let's give a little bit more just in case. I actually feel smoother surface while I'm applying it, so it seems that it's working better. There it is. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. 9:16. We're gonna come back. So 9:21, more than 5 minutes. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna use the hose to compare. A little bit hard to see with the naked eye, but here you can see the water is running much smoother and it's standing on the other side, so this definitely works. I'm gonna check it from the inside. So let's see. Again, difficult to check it, but I can see how the water is more spread out here. The drops of water here's like standing on the windshield, so it definitely works like that. We're gonna do the other side to finish the demonstration. So I'm drying this side of the windshield where I have not applied product. They also recommend that it has to be completely dry before you do it. So here's the cleaner first, even though I already washed it, but let's apply it anyway. So this side obviously is not as dirty as the other side before. Now let's do the actual product on this piece of paper towel again. Apply a little bit here on its own. And another 5 minutes, 9:28 now. So here it is, and maybe one of the toughest demos to do because it's hard to see the results, but believe me, this is much cleaner. You can see much clearer from outside and from the inside. So this product only works with glass, ceramic. Don't try to put it on your paint, it will ruin it. So here it is. Spotless materials, cleaner and windshield treatment. Thumbs up.